Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best ER70S-6 is probably one of the most versatile and widely used solid wire consumables for MIG welding, offering excellent performance across a broad range of applications, from general fabrication and structural steel to automotive repair and pipeline construction. Its high manganese and silicon content provides superior deoxidizing capabilities, effectively cleaning the weld puddle and preventing porosity, even on slightly contaminated surfaces, ensuring clean and strong welds every time. Number 5. Hotmax 24188 116-inch ER70S-6 mild steel TIG filler rod. Introducing the Hotmax 24188 TIG filler rod, designed for optimal performance. This rod is your go-to solution for a variety of mild steel applications. It is suitable for most types of mild steel, offering great versatility. You can rely on it for a wide range of projects. Experience outstanding durability with this filler rod. It is built to last and withstand demanding conditions. Enjoy a highly fluid welding experience thanks to its advanced formulation. This ensures smooth and consistent results every time. This rod offers superior resistance to corrosion, protecting your welds from environmental damage. Maintain the integrity of your work. With a precise 1/16-inch diameter, it's ideal for TIG welding applications requiring fine control. Achieve detailed and accurate welds. What we like. This filler rod is designed for a wide range of mild steel applications. Its high durability and corrosion resistance make it a reliable choice for demanding projects. If you need a versatile and long-lasting solution for various mild steel welding tasks, this is the one to consider. What people say. The ER70S-6 is a solid choice for general-purpose welding, offering good bead appearance and excellent mechanical properties. This wire provides a stable arc and minimal spatter, making it easy to use for both beginners and experienced welders. It performs well on various joint types and thicknesses, delivering consistent results across different applications. Number 4. WeldingCity Mild Steel MIG Welding Wire ER70S-6. Introducing our premium quality mild steel MIG welding wire. It's designed for the GMAW welding process, ensuring reliable performance. This wire conforms to AWSA 5.18 ASME SFA 5.18 ER70S-6 standards. You can trust its quality and consistency for your welding projects. Each spool weighs 10 pounds and features an 8-inch diameter with a 2-inch center hole. They are individually wrapped to protect against moisture. We offer various diameters to suit your needs, including 0.023, 0.030, 0.035, and 0.045. This particular pack features the 0.035 size. It performs exceptionally well when used with CO2 or a mixture of argon and CO2 shielding gases. Get 2 rolls for this great price. As a US-based supplier, we provide strong technical support and experienced customer service. We're here to answer any questions you may have. What we like. Get double the value with 2 premium quality, copper-coated MIG welding wire spools. This is ideal for those who go through wire quickly or want a backup on hand. If you're a professional welder or a serious hobbyist who values consistent performance and quantity, this pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The ER70S-6 is a great all-around welding wire for mild steel. It runs smooth with minimal spatter and produces clean, strong welds. This wire is very forgiving and works well on various joint types and positions. Number 3. PGN ER70S 6.030 Solid MIG Welding Wire. Achieve precision and control with our solid MIG welding wire. Experience low splatter for both single and multi-pass welds, perfect for various joint types. Create beautiful, professional welds with ease. High levels of silicon and manganese deoxidizers ensure your beads are exceptionally smooth. This wire offers the freedom to tackle multiple projects, whether you're a professional, hobbyist, or DIYer. It features a convenient 0.030 diameter. Get exceptional quality at a great price with our 33-pound spool. It's carefully packaged to prevent tangles, ensuring a smooth workflow. We are proud to offer accessories that meet the highest standards. Upgrade your work with uncompromising quality from our South Florida-based company. Our welding wire comes on a durable, shatterproof ABS spool. This design ensures reliability and prevents damage during use. What we like. Experience cleaner welds with significantly reduced splatter and the versatility of all-position welding. The large 33-pound spool ensures you won't run out mid-project. If you're a professional looking for efficiency, a clean workspace, and continuous work on large projects, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The ER70S-6 is a great all-around welding wire for mild steel. It runs smooth with minimal spatter, making for clean welds. This wire is excellent for both short-circuit and spray transfer modes. Number 2. Forney 42286 Mild Steel MIG Wire. Introducing the Forney 42286 MIG Wire, designed for your welding needs. This mild steel wire is a reliable choice for various projects. Featuring a .030-inch diameter, it ensures precise and consistent welds. The ER70S-6 classification guarantees excellent performance and quality. This convenient 10-pound spool provides ample material for your tasks. It's designed for ease of use and efficient welding. Crafted with quality in mind, this wire is built to last. You can trust it for durable and strong weld joints. Proudly manufactured in China, it meets high standards of production. Experience the reliability and performance it offers. The model number 42286 signifies a trusted product in the Forney line. It's engineered for optimal results in your welding applications. What we like. This 10-pound spool of 0.030 diameter mild steel MIG wire offers a convenient size for many projects. It's a straightforward choice for general fabrication and repair work. If you're a hobbyist or a professional needing a reliable, standard-sized spool for common mild steel applications, this is a solid option. What people say. The ER70S-6 is a popular choice for MIG welding, known for its versatility across various steel types. It provides excellent bead appearance and good puddle control, making it suitable for both short-circuit and spray transfer modes. This wire is often recommended for its clean welds with minimal spatter when used with the correct gas mixture and settings. Number 1. Weldcote Metals ER70S-6 TIG Welding Rod. Introducing the ER70S-6 TIG Welding Rod from Weldcote Metals. It's designed for high-quality welds in various applications. This rod features a precise 1/16-inch diameter and a convenient 36-inch length, offering excellent control and maneuverability. Each package contains 10 pounds of welding rod, ensuring you have ample supply for your projects. Experience durability and reliability with every weld. It's built to perform under demanding conditions. Trust in the quality of Weldcote Metals for your welding needs. This product is a testament to their commitment to excellence. What we like. This 10-pound pack of 1/16-inch by 36-inch ER70S-6 TIG welding rods is designed for precision work. The specific dimensions are great for detailed TIG welding applications. If you are a TIG welder who values specific rod sizes for intricate jobs and needs a good quantity, this is a great choice. What people say. The ER70S-6 is a good all-around welding wire for mild steel. It produces a clean bead with minimal spatter. This wire is easy to use and works well with various welding machines. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.